Unfortunately, that's all most people have to do, but I have to get rid of all this dirt now because I'm trying to build a flat surface. I'm covering up the holes from those 2 Easter eggs I pulled up yesterday. Dirt is red clay dirt. It's very heavy. I wasn't sure that tiller would work on clay dirt. Been running into these on the occasion. Basically, I just break them as I run into them. Let me show you these Easter eggs. You'll see what I mean. Look at those suckers. They're very round and orange. This is what happened the first time I tilled, so we're gonna go for a second till now. All right, that'll be my 5th wheelbarrow. Whew. I'm starting to get tired. This is probably going to be my last run for today because I'm starting to get tired. Plus I hit a rock. It's right here. Oh, not too bad at all. Good. Whew. It's like the edge off of a boulder. There's the rest of it. Broken half. I have to make sure to put the dirt in kind of even, or my wheelbarrow will topple over. Haven't had it happen yet, but I've almost had it happen. It was a close call. Ooh, it's heavy. This one's heavy. Whew.